Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I have video number 7 in the Paw Patrol series here. I am now going to work on Everest, the husky, or I don't know, she's the ice pup, I think she is. I just know she works on the mountain. So I'm going to go through the materials again and then speed through. Of course, I'm going to be using white 1530. I'm going to be using Licorice, which is Nail Innovations black. I will be using 1621, but this washed out kind of sheer version of that for some shadowing. I also have some white and some black also sheared out for highlights and lowlights if I need it. 1612, a light blue because her eyes are blue. The color of her outfit, this turquoise color, the 1610, and the yellow 1601. Her face is sort of highlighted a little bit. Even in my my reference photo that I have, it's highlighted more with like a peachy color. So I'm also going to put some of this color here on my tile and wash it out with some Sheer Brilliance 3 just to offer a lighter highlight for her face. And for her fur, I'm going to use 1594. And just like the other ones, at the end, I'm going to do 2 coats of matte top coat. And the tools I'm going to use, I might not use this one, but I'm obviously using my favorite detail brush. 7mm detailer brush named Sheila. I love Sheila. She is the best. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and speed through this for y'all. So here's my little sketch I've done. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the Okay, so I just pulled her out of the light here, just giving her a wipe. And there she is. Super cute. I love, she's like my second favorite. Rebel's my definitely my like number one. But yes, there's Everest all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. But anywho's, I'm going to get to the last two. So I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.